How to fix TikTok not showing your video to others. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your TikTok video is not being shown to others. Now, it might be due to the two possible reasons. The first is that your account is set to private, and if this is so, then it might be that only your followers are able to view the video and the non-followers will not be able to view the video, or they won't be shown your video that you have uploaded. Now, the second thing is if you have set your video to private upload, or is it set to private, then the public won't be able to view it. Now let me guide you through it. If you open up the TikTok app and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, at the top right you'll find the three horizontal line icon. Tap on it, and once you do this, head over to settings and privacy and head into privacy. Now here at the top of your screen you can find the option private account. Now if this is toggled on, make sure to toggle this off. You can see switch to public account. I just toggled it on and off quickly. Now if this is set on, or if this is toggled on, then only your followers will be able to view your video and the rest public won't be able to see your video or your profile. So make sure that's toggled off if you want the public to look at the video or view your video. However, if this is not the case, then it might simply mean that your video is set to private. Now if you head over to your profile back here, you can see the little lock icon on the screen. Now tap on it, and here if your video is right here and if it is private, then the video won't be shown to public. You can see all the videos that I've set to private here. What you want to do is tap on the video and tap on the three dots right here on the video and scroll all the way to the right hand side, and you can see the option privacy settings. Tap on it and you can see the option who can watch this video right here. Now make sure it's set to everyone if you want everyone to look at the video. However, if you want only your followers or your friends to watch the video, you can simply select friends and then just go back and the video will be added to public right here. You can see the video has appeared on my public profile. So this way you can fix TikTok not showing your video to others. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.